Welcome back, friends, on how to grow food indoors. My name's Dean. Today's Monday, and it's time for a garden update. Let's get to it. In today's video, we're taking a look at the good, the bad, and answer a few questions a viewer had. I guess we'll start with the bad. Rocket seedlings and lemon balm seedlings that I started a few weeks ago, and they are looking terrible. So I think I'm gonna scrap this experiment and we'll find something else to put in that mini system. And then a few days later, my wife needed to go to the market. She said she needed some mint and she'll be right back. Well, 1 hour later, came back. She said she went to 3 different stores, couldn't find any mint. It's dead of winter, but she did find this. And then I said, how crazy is that? They have no bunch mint, they got them in little pots. Folks, that's how long I haven't been to the grocery store. But then she says, honey, I need 10 times this much mint. She said she couldn't see herself buying 10 of these pots just to get the mint she needed. So Papa Dean to the rescue. I told her I got her back, so let's get started. So all I'm gonna do is take some cuttings, drop them in the system, and watch them grow. Let's get to the rest of the garden. This is the kangkong, water spinach, choy, whatever you want to call it. It's doing awesome. Just in a bucket of water with a little bit of nutrients. Just setting my radish seedlings into my wicking bucket. At this point, I'm still watering from the top. In a few weeks, we'll add some water to the reservoir so it can start wicking. let's answer a few questions a viewer had. I believe his name is Paul, and he wanted to know the make and model of the new lights that I have. They are called Vipar V1000s, and here are some of the specs. And these lights are awesome. They have a whopping 324 LED lights per panel. They weigh 3.9 pounds each. They draw 100 watts per light. What I really like about the lights, they're dimmable. You can turn them up or down. And I usually never run my lights at full power. I usually run always half power or sometimes less than half power. Paul also asked about my light frames. It's what I hang my lights off. All they are is a couple pieces of scrap wood that I screwed together, and I just hang my lights off of them. They're not the prettiest thing, but as long as they work for you. And my plants are happy. And this is what I didn't like about the lights. It only came with one ratchet strap per light. So what I did was I got an old curtain rod. I hung all the lights on the curtain rod and used 2 straps to move the lights up and down. So now I have an extra one. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please watch another one. Like, subscribe, and share. And always cultivate kindness one seed at a time. And I'll see you in the next one.